Validate compliance is service delivery software for a specific operational decision, checks event logs against predefined compliance rules to ensure adherence to regulatory or organizational standards. This video explains what the tool does, why the workflow matters, and how the output becomes useful decision evidence. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. The problem is that service delivery teams often manage this workflow with scattered inputs, inconsistent review rules, and manual interpretation. Validate compliance narrows that process into a repeatable model so teams can compare cases without rebuilding the logic each time. Validate compliance starts with a defined input contract. Typical inputs include total events, SLA breaches, unassigned events, overdue resolutions, and customer satisfaction score. Keeping these fields explicit reduces ambiguity and makes every run easier to audit. The workflow then applies calculate SLA compliance rate as the percentage of total events that did not violate SLA targets. Calculate assignment compliance as the percentage of total events that were properly assigned to an owner or resolver. Calculate timeliness index as the percentage of total events resolved within their target resolution timeframes. Calculate overall compliance score by applying weighted combination of SLA compliance, assignment compliance, timeliness index, mandatory field completion, and customer satisfaction, adjusted by criticality weight, and calculate compliance gap as the difference between overall compliance score and target SLA compliance in percentage points. This keeps the process deterministic, reviewable, and aligned with how service delivery teams actually make decisions. Validate compliance returns structured outputs such as overall compliance score, compliance gap, framework status, compliance versus target, and compliance component analysis. These outputs are designed to support review, reporting, comparison, and follow-up actions. The value of validate compliance is not just automation. It is a controlled way to turn repeated service delivery work into a documented business process with clear inputs, transparent logic, and reusable outputs.